Hello students, good morning. My name is Rakesh Kumar Sharma, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, RR College of Engineering and IT, and we are study the subject MEMS and Nanotechnology, lecture 3rd. Topic is chemical vapor deposition. In introduction of CVD, CVD involves the dissociation and chemical reactions or gaseous reactants in an activated like heat, light, plasma environment, followed by the formation of a stable solid product. Chemical vapor deposition is a vacuum deposition method used to produce high quality, high performance and solid material. Chemical vapor deposition is a process in which the substrate is exposed to one or more volatile precursors which react or decompose on the substrate surface to produce the desired thin film deposit. Chemical vapor deposition is a process whereby a solid material is deposited from a vapor by a chemical reaction occurring on or in the vicinity of a normally heated substrate surface. The solid material is obtained as a coating, a powder or as single crystals. By varying the experimental conditions, substrate material, substrate temperature, deposition of the reaction gas mixture, total pressure gas follows, etc., materials with different properties can be grown. And the CVD is an example for solid vapor reaction. Main components of CVD equipment. The role of this equipment is to generate vapor precursors and then delivered to the reactor. The design of the CVD reactor depends on whether the starting material is solid, liquid or gas. The sublimation of a solid precursor depends on surface area of the solid and contact time. Liquid sources often use a bubbler to vaporize the reactants and a carrier gas. Reactive gases such as hydrogen and inert gases such as argon to transport the vaporized reactants into the reactor. CVD reactors are two types. First one is hot well reactor and cool wall reactor. In hot wall reactor, the substrate and the wall of the reactor are heated. Means a homogeneous temperature is maintained inside the reaction chamber. Disadvantage of hot wall reactor is contamination of the substrate. And the cool well reactor uses heating system that minimize the heating up of the reactor. While the wafer is being heated up, the temperature is not homogeneous inside the reaction chamber. and the disadvantage of this, it is difficult to get a uniform layer of the film. Effluent gas handling system. This component consists of a neutralizing part of the exhaust gases and a vacuum system to provide the required reduced pressure for the BCD process that performs at a low pressure or high vacuum during deposition. The unreacted precursors and corrosive byproducts such as HCl are neutralized or tapped using a liquid nitrogen trap. Inflammable gases such as hydrogen are burned off. Unreacted expensive precursors may be collected at the outlet and recycled. And the BCD equipment. In a typical BCD process, the substrate is explode to one or more volatile precursors which react and decompose on the substrate surface to produce the desired deposit. During this process, volatile byproducts are also produced, which are removed by gas flow through the reaction chamber. In BCD equipment, there are mainly components are gas or vapor source, mass flow controller, deposition chamber, exhaust pump and waste treatment. Steps involved in BCD process. First one is transport of reactant by forced convection to the deposition region. Transport of reactants by diffusion from the main gas stream to the substrate surface. Absorption of reactant in substrate surface. Chemical decomposition and the other surface reactions take place. Then desorption of byproducts from the substrate or surface. Transport of byproducts by diffusion. Transport of byproducts by forced convection away from the deposition region. And the mechanism of CVD is, first one is main gas flow inside the chamber, then gas phase reaction, then transport to surface diffusion are there, and desorption of precursors. Then after nucleation of isolate growth and desorption of volatile surface reaction products. Thank you, students.